Have you ever wanted to create handmade greeting cards for a special occasion, but had no idea where to start, how to do the lettering, or even what kind of image to put on it? What materials do I need to create beautiful cards? What paint do I use? Can I use markers, pens? The truth is, everybody appreciates thoughtful gifts and messages. This is exactly why I created this class, hand-painted greeting cards. Hi, I'm Yvette. After publishing and licensing my art for over 2 decades, I know a thing or two about creating designs that people love. And this course is filled with designs that I know people are going to love to receive. Check out some of these cards we're going to be creating in this course. You're going to create 40 fabulous greeting cards like the ones you see behind me. We will create designs for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, Father's Day, Mother's Day, and so much more. We're going to create 4 different designs for each occasion and holiday. These are going to enable you to customize and give that special added touch to those that you care about. I'm going to show you a variety of different subjects that you can paint on these cards to make them really cute and fun and very unique. The best thing about this class is you're going to learn so many fun techniques and designs that you're really going to be able to create cards for any occasion, event, or even invitations. I'm also going to share a variety of lettering techniques. Here's something that's super unique that you don't find every day with the generic greeting cards. I'm going to share with you how we're going to specially embellish each envelope for every card we create. This is an extra special little added touch that's really going to wow the people that you give these cards to. These are cards that are cherished and saved forever. You're going to start creating greeting cards with confidence. The cards you create with me in this course and you customize for your loved ones are going to be cherished for years to come. They're going to be those special cards that they put in a keepsake box and they're going to pull out for years to come and say, oh yeah, I remember, Yvette created this for me. The cool part is you can even digitize these cards and sell and create your own greeting cards. Or maybe you enjoy attending craft fairs and you want to create handcrafted greeting cards to sell in bundles. With the knowledge and skills that you learn from this class, you will never have to buy a generic greeting card again. I can't wait for you all to start designing beautiful greeting cards with me. Are you ready to create cards of your very own? Click the link below and let's get started today.